Hello 7th standard student, this is your grammar and writing skills class. Today we will be studying lesson number 6, adjectives. So open page number 17, lesson number 6, adjectives in a nutshell. In a nutshell means summed up briefly. Okay, so we are going to study adjectives briefly. First of all, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that qualifies or describes a noun. It is also called as a describing word. What does an adjective do? It describes or qualifies a noun. Noun means what? Name of a person, place, animal, thing or idea. Adjective क्या करता है? नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करता है. दैट्स वाई इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज वॉट? ए डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड. ओके, एग्जाम्पल गिवन हियर आर गुड, काइंड, टॉल, राउंड, 6, 7, ब्लू, सॉफ्ट, इंडियन, मच, सम, एक्सेट्रा. ऑल दीज आर वॉट? एडजेक्टिव्स. ओके, एग्जाम्पल द बॉय इज फैट और द फैट बॉय. The word fat is what? An adjective. Why it is an adjective? Why? Because it is describing a boy. How is a boy? A boy is fat. Okay, boy कैसा है? Boy fat है. तो fat क्या हुआ? It is an adjective. Okay, it is describing that particular boy. Adjectives are generally placed before the nouns. Generally क्या होता है? Adjective कहाँ आते हैं? Nouns के पहले. Okay. Now, kinds of adjectives. There are 7 kinds of adjectives. How many kinds are there? There are total 7 kinds of adjective. First is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, possessive adjective, interrogative adjective, distributive adjective. Okay, there are total 7 kinds of adjective. So first we will start with adjective of quality. Now what is adjective of quality? Adjective of quality describes the kind or quality of the noun. It tells about the size, shape, color, origin, material and the quality of the noun. Adjective of quality हमें क्या बताता है? Particular noun की quality, उसका kind, कि वो कैसा है. अब it tells us about its size, whether it is short, tall, shape, it is round, rectangular, triangle. Color means there are many colors, red, blue, brown, right? Origin means from where it is originated. Then material, which material is used, and the quality of the noun, that means the characteristic nature of that noun. Okay, for example, Malti is a tall, smart, intelligent and beautiful girl. So here the word tall, smart, intelligent and beautiful are what? Adjective. Why? Because these words are describing who? Malti. Malti कैसी है? She is tall, smart, intelligent and beautiful. So these all words are describing Malti, right? So all these words are what? Adjective. Remember one thing, there can be many adjective in one sentence also. Second one is she wore a lovely pink silken dress. Lovely, pink, silken. Again these are what? Adjective. Why? Because here the dress is been described. Dress कैसी है? It is lovely, pink and silken. Okay. He is poor but honest. How is he? He is poor. Okay. So poor है but कैसा है? Honest भी है. तो ये दोनों भी क्या हुए? He के characteristic हुए. Okay. It is a quality. So it is what? Adjective of quality. Understood? To find the adjective of quality, ask the question what kind to the noun. कौन सा kind का है? Okay, we can say क्या characteristic है, क्या nature है of a particular noun. So we will come to know that it is what? Answer will be always adjective of quality. Understood? Now second one is adjective of quantity. What is adjective of quantity? Adjective of quantity describes the indefinite quantity of an uncountable noun. Adjective of quantity क्या करता है? It describes the indefinite quantity of an uncountable noun. Indefinite means which we cannot easily say in numbers. Okay, हम numbers में हम नहीं बता सकते whether they are 5, whether they are 4. अगर अब ऐसा कुछ रहता numbers में रहता है तो it is known as definite. Okay, but here what is written indefinite means we cannot say it in numbers. Okay, and that also of uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns means which we cannot count easily. Okay, for example, she drank some milk. She drank what? Some milk. So milk is a noun. Okay, but milk is what? Uncountable noun. Okay, and some is what? Is it specifying a particular number? No. Okay, so it is what? Adjective of quantity. Next one is we have enough food. Food is also uncountable noun, and enough is not also stating any definite number, so it is what? Indefinite quantity, so it is also what? Adjective of quantity. There is a little rice in the fridge. Rice is also uncountable noun. Why it is uncountable? Can we count each and every grain of the rice? No, it is not possible to count each and every grain of the rice, and rice is what? A material noun, right? Why? Because from rice we can make many things. Okay, so rice is what? Uncountable noun. And if I say there is a little rice, little means no specific number is given, means it is what? Adjective of quality. Sorry, adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity answers the question how much to the noun. Now next one is adjective of number. Describes the definite or approximate number of countable nouns. So what is the difference between adjective of quantity and adjective of number? In adjective of quantity there are indefinite quantity, and in adjective of number there is a definite quantity, means particular quantity is given. Okay, और अप्रोक्सीमेट नंबर दिए हुआ रहता है कि हमको स्पेसिफाई किया जाता है कि वो एग्जैक्टली या अप्रोक्सीमेटली कितना है, और ये किसका रहता है? एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर इज we use for countable nouns and adjective of quantity for uncountable nouns. That is only the difference between this. First one is there were many people at the party. People means a human being. We can count the number of people, right? So there were many people. So many is what? Adjective of number. Okay. She ate 2 slices of bread every day. How many slices? 2 slices. So 2 is definite number, so 2 is what? Adjective of number. I am in the 7th standard. Which standard? 7th standard. Okay, so 7th is also particular number, right? Ordinal number, so it is also what? Adjective of number. Adjective of number answer the question how many to the noun. Now fourth one is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective refers or point out to a noun. There are only 4 demonstrative adjectives: this, that, these and those. Now what is demonstrative adjective? It refers or point out. वो क्या करता है? हमें बताता है this or that, these or those. Okay, it points out. This, for example, if I say this book and that pen. कौन सी book? This book. और कौन सा pen? That pen. So this, that, these and these 4 are what? Demonstrative adjective. Second example is these bags belongs to Rahul. These, which bags? These bags means we are pointing out ये वाले बैग, राइट? तो ये वाले बैग किसके हैं? किसको बिलोंग करते हैं? राहुल को. So these is what? Demonstrative adjective. Those bags were left on the train. Which bag? Those bag. कौन से बैग रह गए थे? वो वाले बैग. तो those means what? Demonstrative adjective or pointing out to particular bags. Okay. Demonstrative adjective answer the question which plus noun. Okay. कौन सा और उसके साथ क्या आता है? Noun आता है. You have to always remember that this, that, these and those. These 4 are what? Demonstrative adjectives. If they are followed by what? A noun. Now next one is possessive adjective. Now what is the meaning of possession or possessive? It shows the possession of a noun or to whom the things belong. Okay, ये possess करना means belong करना, ये किसकी चीज़ है. ये किसकी पोजेशन है, ये किसको बिलोंग करती है, वेदर इट बिलोंग टू अस और इट बिलोंग टू समबडी एल्स. And there are 7 possessive adjectives: my, your, his, her, its, our and their. Okay, my, your, his, her, its, our, their. ये सारे 7 चीज़ें क्या है? 7 are possessive adjective. Look at the example. Your car is outside. So car belong to who? Your. Okay, तुम्हारी. So ये क्या हुआ? Possessive adjective. Second example is my book is missing. Whose book is missing? My book is missing. यानी मेरी book, हमारी book missing है, गुम गई है. So this who is the owner of the book? My. Okay, I am the owner. So my is what? Possessive adjective. Third is our house is far from the station. Whose house? Our house. Okay, our is what? Possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives answer the question whose plus noun. Whose means किसका. Okay, किसका है? तुम्हारा है, हमारा है, किसी और का है. Okay, my, your, his, her, its, are, their. All these are what? Possessive adjective. Next one is interrogative adjective. Interrogative means what? Or to interrogate means was to ask. Okay, ask information about the noun. There are only 3 interrogative adjectives: what, which, whose. How many interrogative adjectives are there? There are only 3. Which are those? What, which and whose. For example, what books does he read? Which flavor do you like? Whose pen is this? Okay, what we are doing? We are asking. Okay, we are asking a question. So if we are asking a question and if it is followed by a noun, then it is what? Interrogative adjective. These adjectives are always followed by a noun. It is written, right? So if our question contain the words what, which, whose and which is followed by a noun, then such words are what? Interrogative adjective. Now 7th one is distributive adjective. Refer to each one or individual item or people. Few adjectives are each, every, either, neither, any. Okay, distributive adjective means to distribute. Okay, refer to each one or more individual item. Distribute करना एक तो एक को हो सकता है या तो फिर क्या ग्रुप में होता है. ठीक है. और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव्स के एग्जाम्पल क्या है? ईच, एवरी, ईदर, नीदर और एनी. एग्जाम्पल, ईच एंड एवरी चाइल्ड वॉज गिवन अ सर्टिफिकेट. ईच एंड एवरी चाइल्ड में जितने चाइल्ड थी उनको क्या मिला है? सर्टिफिकेट मिला. नीदर ऑफ द बॉयज वॉन द गेम, यानी एक भी बॉय नहीं जीता ग्रुप में से. ईदर ऑफ द टीम कैन कलेक्ट द प्राइज. ही डज नॉट हैव एनी मनी. So here all these are what? Distributive adjective. Now note, a noun may be described by one or more adjective, but it follows a particular order. Means in a sentence there can be more than one adjective, but it should be followed in a particular order. एक sequence में रहना चाहिए. पहले क्या आता है? Quality. After that size, shape, age, कलर, ओरिजिन ऑफ मटेरियल एंड लास्ट में नाउन. नाउन के पहले हमें एडजेक्टिव देना है. दैट इज ऑल्सो इन अ पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर. अंडरस्टूड. सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? क्वालिटी, देन साइज, शेप, एज, कलर, ओरिजिन ऑफ मटेरियल एंड लास्ट में नाउन. एग्जाम्पल, द टॉल, थिन, 20-year-old ब्लॉन्ड अमेरिकन वॉन द ब्यूटी कॉन्टेस्ट. ओके, फर्स्ट यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? डिस्क्रिप्शन दिएला है और लास्ट में नाउन. आई हैव अ ब्यूटिफुल ब्राउन कैट. Again the description is given and at the end the noun is there. Okay, so we have to follow this order. Understood? Hope you have understood this lesson. If you have any problem then contact me. Till then, take care. Bye bye.